I see that big tower in the distance. But we want to make sure we're above it. All right, Toker Power instrument screen, airspeed alive.
Tower Scott Charter 6 VA inbound.
Charter 6, Sec Tower, left base runway 17.
Left base 17, 806.
Sec Tower 65 Bravo Juliet number 117. I need one more high-speed taxi, please.
65 Bravo Juliet, Sec Tower, hold short of 17, landing traffic.
Holding short, 65 Bravo Juliet.
Archer 8 Charlie Alpha, you can slow any bit. You're going to be following a Cardinal that's just over the VA inbound for left base.
Alright, we'll slow down and look within 258 Charlie Alpha.
There's a DFW from here. Right directly behind us. We'll turn about 160 degrees and you'll be able to see it.
Planes 80 Bravo, you can turn left no more than 090 to start with and contact departure.
Left turn to 090, over departure 80 Bravo, good night.
Skytrain 6, Quebec, taxi.
Departure Bonanza 6980 Bravo, 1500 climbing 2000, turning to 090 heading.
6980 Bravo departure, you ready to contact. Climb 3,500, cleared into the Bravo eastbound.
Climbing to 3,500, 090 heading, and cleared in the Bravo 80 Bravo. Some sort of a stadium or something.
Yeah, just probably a high school here.
There's downtown.
Is that plane in landed?
Really busy around here. All planes around us.
That's a huge warehouse. Holy cow, several of them.
Got all these up here.
Yeah. They have 100 doors. Probably 50 trucks parked right down there. Big rigs.
Wow.
Regional approach to Airspace 65 1,500 across Orville, 9,000.
Good push tonight.
Airspace 325, regional approach, rudder descend and maintain 6,000. Which runway did you want?
6,000 left side, Airspace 35.
Quartering tailwind.
And you said left side Airspace 325?
Oh, we turn that corner, it's going to be
Rudder.
nice.
Southwest 2783, descend and maintain 6,000.
6,000 Southwest 2783.
1 Charlie Alpha, contact executive tower
Looks like he's trying to get me out of
127.25.
the Bravo, which is the blue ring.
1 Charlie Alpha.
The Bravo?
That blue ring is called Bravo Airspace.
Yeah.
You have to have clear. You have to be okay to even go into it.
It's all the traffic.
60-mile circle, essentially.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've got, I don't know, 7 airports, 8 airports.
Wow.
There. So, I do exactly what they say, when they say, and how they say.
Did you keep a track of all that traffic?
Not easy, that's for sure.
It's a huge parking lot.
My gosh, yeah. I don't know what that is. Where they store cars or something?
Yeah, I wonder if it's rental cars or new cars.
If you get hot or cold, here, there's a little thing right there. You change it however you want. Oh, don't stick me at 3,500 or too long. Come on.
Papa Yankee approach is 123.9er.
2029, good evening, sir.
A big jet coming off
80
our
Bravo heading 050.
05080 Bravo. There's a big airline about 280 miles, 80 knots.
35
right off our
Whiskey
3
cleared
o'clock
from
right
Kitty.
now. He's only 1,500 feet above us, that's why he turned us.
9 Quebec Sierra, traffic's 1 o'clock, 6
Oh, I see
miles
it.
northwestbound, Boeing 737. They'll be above you at 6,000.
Looking 379.
Boy, he turned us.
Then all you did was turn the knob into the new setting.
Put a new heading at 050.
So you don't change altitude unless he tells you to change altitude. He knows how high you want to get.
Douglas 2783 meets you traffic off your left wing 5 miles.
When I asked for my
northeastbound, they're going to turn
clearances
northwestbound
from the
directly
airport,
below
I
you
asked for
at
9,500
5,000.
feet.
That's the
So
phenom.
they would have transferred that information.
Douglas 2783 approaches 123.9er.
This guy's coming out to land or something. Look at him.
Oh yeah.
That's why he won't let us go any higher until this guy's clear of us, I think. And there's another Southwest Airlines up here.
Oh, yeah.
There he is. 25. He's only 2,500 feet above us.
Those two look like they're headed towards each other.
They do, don't they?
It's almost banking like
So you can see here, this one's going this way, and he's going across. But they'll come within 1,000 feet. And as long as they're within 1,000, it's fine.
He looks like he's almost banking.
Probably is.
That seems close.
How close they got?
I know, that seems like really close. How often do you see him get that close?
Whole time here. There's currently this many planes in this airspace. There's 50, 60.
They don't look like their altitude's that much different.
Pacer Bravo looking for higher.
80 Bravo, go ahead and start up 5,000. Email over 6,500 now.
6,500, 80 Bravo.
9 Quebec Sierra, approach 123.9er.
239er, 379 Quebec, sir.
They don't mind if you ask for that.
I just didn't want him to forget me.
Yeah.
Bravo, turn left on course.
Left on course, 80 Bravo.
They took you out and around?
They got me out of the landing corridor. You see this kind of thing right here?
Yeah.
It's a landing corridor for DFW. A lot of planes coming in and out of that corridor. So they want you either under it or above it or somewhere just out of the way, basically.
You'll be moving away from it, right? Because it's
we're following that magenta line right there.
Airshow 325, contact approach 123.9er.
239 Airshow 55 today.
All those white things are all the towers.
4135 Whiskey approaches 124.3.
All right, power is set, mixture set,
Good night.
prop is set, fuel pump's on high, TITs look good, EG good, CSCs look good or not. Okay. We're still within the Bravo. We got another miles.
OSU gets home tonight, has a game.
What's that?
It said OSU gets home tonight and then has a game on Tuesday and a weekend series.
Wow. How are they getting home tonight? Do they bus or do they fly?
They bust.
Oh. Duck. Or how long of a trip to Stillwater that is.
Well, you would think it would only be like 3.5 hours, but it was like 5. Marcus said it was brutal.
Was that 52243 checking on?
We are 4,500. 52243.
52243, approach to rudder, advising to get the weather information at Grand Prairie. You're cleared in the Bravo 4500 on navigation.
New golf course down here.
Here for the Bravo, and we advise you for...
I wish we could have gone by Dallas National and checked that out.
Great. Thank you, sir.
This one, all the fairways and everything are dormant. The greens are green.
A0 Bravo, climb to your requested 9,500.
9.580 Bravo, thanks.
You can see all the construction sites around the golf course.
The fairways are all brown, but the greens are green. I wonder if they paint them.
You know what, they may have fertilized them or something here recently. There's construction everywhere.
People who live in the Dallas metro area.
Amazing when you drive in just how much further it seems like the town comes.
That does. We're
approach 26 Bravo Tango, 12-3 crossing Jaeger at 8 with
Dallas
Tango.
International. We're
26 Bravo Tango, regional approach, descend and maintain 6,000.
Down to 6,000, 6 Bravo Tango.
Miles?
What's that?
How many miles?
We're about Dallas International. Will be about 30 miles that way.
Wow.
With a crazy crosswind all the way, but we're going to get a little bit of a push. The wind is kind of coming this way. Get a little bit of a push from it. 30 knots right now.
Approach TBM 183 Whiskey Papa, 9,300 to 6,000. We're in reach them for broadcast on Echo, but we have
a little bit of weather over this way. You can see the rain.
183 Whiskey Papa, regional approach, rudder, descend and maintain 6,000.
Those clouds up there.
The plane fight that because it's wanting to push it to off course?
Yeah, so we're doing what's called crabbing. The plane is pointed over here.
Yeah.
So we're actually traveling where that round circle is that way.
Yeah. Amazing that the computer system figure all that out and make it work.
It knows it all through temperatures and pressures and wind speeds and crazy. Had to learn how to calculate all that nonsense. The calculator. It's crazy. It's hard. It takes forever.
To be a wreck down here on the road, the traffic, there's all red lights and the traffic's back or construction maybe, I don't know. Oh no, I see the flashing lights in 2 or 3 places.
Regional approach, Skyhawk 722 Mike Alpha.
Clear the Bravo.
722 Mike Alpha, regional approach, advise information Tango at Addison.
We'll let you know when we get that. 722 Mike Alpha.
6 Bravo Tango, contact approach on 124.3.
The big one over there.
24-3, 6 Bravo Tango.
Skyhawk 243, descend to 3,500.
Descend to 3,500 for 52243.
I wonder if DFW and stuff, if they struggle with language sometimes with some of the...
Oh, Tulsa's really bad about that. Riverside Airport, they have a school there, and it's mostly Asian students. Very, very, very hard to understand the Asian students. Really hard.
Delta 11.5 to 79.
All right, 1,200 feet to go.
888 Whiskey Delta, regional approach, advise we get the weather information, descend and maintain 8,000.
Showing us an hour and 56.
8,000, we got the weather.
Once they level up and speed up, it'll go down. That took me about an hour and a half. About an hour and a half, hour and 25. I had to guess.
You can't speed up until you get to that height?
Well, you just literally can't. We're climbing.
Yeah. Did the so you looked at everything and figured out
Regional Meridian 629 Foxtrot at 8,000. And what's the weather?
To get where we need to go, because it had the best,
regional approach,
the best wind speeds for us.
Regional approach, 72 Mike Alpha. We got Tango over at Addison and requesting the ILS for 16.
2 Mike Alpha, I have your request. I'll pass it along. Blue 0 Bravo, you're outside the Bravo airspace. Altitude your discretion. Contact Fort Worth Center 132.02.
320280 Bravo, good night. Fort Worth Center, Bonanza 6980 Bravo, climbing 9 for 9.5.
American 512, contact Fort Worth Center 126.57. 2657, American 512. 6980 Bravo, Fort Worth Center, altimeter 3006.
0680 Bravo. Sorry, what were you asking?
I was saying, you would think the control tower, that would drive you crazy. It does not work sometimes. Huh?
You gotta talk louder than you think you need to.
Huh. But you would think it would drive you crazy, not under students.
It's hard, but that's their job, to be boom, 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 like that. They train for it. Quite a bit, I would imagine. All right, we're at 9,500 feet. We're gonna go ahead and start accelerating now.
Did you already plug that in, or the plane?
Yeah, I told it where I wanted to go, and now it's got us there. Took us up to 95. It's leveling us out now, and we're gonna accelerate. I want that to go up to about 154. It's our indicated airspeed. See, we got a 40 knot tailwind here.
There, 4 uniforms here. Try to get your 11 and 12 o'clock, 4 miles.
So right now we're crabbing
400.
13 degrees.
Techno 4 uniforms here.
Pointed 13 degrees to the left of where we're going, which is crazy.
Center, this is Cherokee 1335 Hotel at 6,500.
And 1335 Hotel, Fort Worth Center, altimeter 3006.
That's our speed over the ground. A GS stands for ground speed. All right, get our fuel down a little bit. Pull the prop back 2,500. We'll accelerate some more.
80 Bravo, contact Fort Worth Center on 124.187.
2487, 80 Bravo, good night.
Yep.
It's crazy that you would bring down the fuel and it feels like you slowed down, but you're saying it'll go faster.
Yeah, we'll definitely go faster. Well, what I did was I changed the position of the prop. I had the prop turned to be grabbing as much air as we can at a higher RPM.
November, contact Fort Worth Center 126.72.
And what I did was I feathered it back a little bit. It's kind of like going from low gear to high gear, basically.
Oh, right.
So now we're accelerating. See, we're up to 191 knots. Fort Worth Center, Bonanza 6980 Bravo, level 9.5.
All right, 80 Bravo, need you over at Fort Worth Center 124.87.
2487, 80 Bravo.
To 17.
Okay, thank you.
Fort Worth Center, Bonanza 6980 Bravo, 9.5.
6980 Bravo, Fort Worth Center, hello, and turn 10 degrees right for traffic, altimeter 3003.
10 right for traffic, 80 Bravo. There's still some jets coming in. We'll probably see them over here.
American 1608, send via Seaver for arrival, accept 290 or greater, and the altimeter 3004.
Send via Seaver 4, accept 290 knots or greater, altimeter 3004.
They're all over here.
American 926, descend via Seaver 4, class public speeds, altimeter 3004.
They don't show them.
All right, American 926, descend via the Seaver 4.
See, we sped up because we turned a little bit more into the direction of the wind. We're going 198, so.
But this speed went up, but this
Southwest 2216, contact regional approach, 125, Christian, 124.3. Sorry about the commuting flight.
That's funny. I appreciate it. 24-3 Southwest 2216.
Yeah. South Lima, contact regional approach, 124.3.
This is called indicated airspeed. So indicated airspeed is basically measuring how fast the air is going over the wings. This number is a combination of that, compensating for barometric pressure, which is that, and adding the wind.
American 926 is 300 on the Seaver 4.
Roger.
Why'd you preset that to 154 earlier?
Number 6320 uniform, kind of forward center 132.2.
What it is essentially
Forward center
is the normal cruising speed. That's our normal cruising speed for the plane at this power setting. I know that number is going to be about what that number is going to be. Essentially.
Right.
SWA, that stands for Southwest Airlines, so he's probably right up in those clouds.
Right there.
Oh yeah, I got him. All right. Our cruise checklist, and then we can take a nap. Our setting good, fuel's good, CHTs are under control. Flurry's off, mixture set. Good.
Ever taken a nap? Hey.
No, I wish. Oh.
It's funny.
You see the camera I turned on the wing?
Oh, yeah.
Bonanza 80 Bravo, contact tower 199, see you later.
199, talk to you shortly, Hazer Bravo.
It's interesting now that you've slowed down, you can feel it.
Yep, yeah, we're not crabbing as much. Springfield Tower, Bonanza 6980 Bravo, 10 miles to the southwest, planning right downwind 20 with information.
Air 6980 Bravo, Springfield Tower, and runway 20, continue.
Continue, and 80 Bravo will be headed to Midwest.
Air 80 Bravo, roger.
And Tower 19 Lima Papa will be ready to go 20.
Air 19 Lima Papa, Springfield Tower, roger. Hold short, runway 20. Got traffic to make it a short approach, runway 20.
Sure to final.
Hold short 20, 19 Lima Papa.
Ready?
Are they waiting for you to land?
Oh, somebody else.
Air 80 Bravo, in reference your downwind entry, I'm going to have Cherokee and a Baron both departing. One's going to be left downwind, and then one will be just straight ahead out.
You want me to jump over to your west just a hair then?
Air 80 Bravo, no, you're fine. I'll probably give them a little bit off departure to the left there, but you should be no factor. Just want to let you know that they were going to be coming out.
All right, we'll be watching for Hazer Bravo, thanks. Kick on my lights. Get easy for them to see me.
How do you figure out how long to take so that you time it out?
Generally speaking, you would turn first, you would go past it and then turn back when you got the runway about 35 off your right shoulder. That's kind of how they teach you. There's our runway right over there. We're kind of going to fly parallel this way, go past it, and then do a U-turn back.
But in this case, you have two planes that are going to take off before you land,
Back to
right?
back, yeah, we'll see them coming off. Which is kind of neat. I see one of them sitting there right now waiting.
Yeah, I see him on the right side of it.
Uh-huh.
Those are take 339, and just turn left heading 180. I expect a short upwind there, and then I'll get you back in for your short approach.
Oh, one guy just took off, then he's over here.
Roger, left heading 180, Vertex 29.
Oh, just took off. Right down in here in front of the wing somewhere.
Oh, I see it. He's right over there.
Air 19 Lima Papa and Springfield Tower, runway 205, runway heading clear for takeoff.
He's giving the
Got
other guy.
traffic just up and to your right, about 2 miles.
Just getting told to take off.
Bonanza entering the right downwind.
Got the traffic in sight and cleared departure 20, runway heading 9 Lima Papa.
He's pulling on now.
Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, he's lined up. Here he goes. Going down the runway.
Accelerating on.
Clear Tech 339, you can enter the left downwind.
What's the left downwind? Is our Tech 239.
No, somebody else landing before you, or?
No, that other plane's coming back. The one that took off.
Bravo, wind 2106, runway 20, cleared to land.
Clear line, 80 Bravo. The one that just took off a minute ago. It's coming back into land. It's that one right there.
Air 9 Lima Papa, contact departure, good night.
For departure, have a good evening.
Gear down, approach flaps. All right, red, blue, green, clear to line. We are high, so we're going to slow it up.
Missouri Tech 339, can you still make a short approach on this one?
Roger, we'll make a short approach.
This guy just took off.
Missouri Tech 339, roger, and that Bonanza traffic is just short final now. And the runway 20, wind 2106, clear for the option.
0, clear for the option, Missouri Tech 239.
Tower Tech 339, we're actually just going to make this one normal. I'm staring at the traffic right now, and then the station should work.
He's staring
Copy
at He's staring at me. I'm staring at the traffic. It's funny.
It's funny.
Let's see if I can get this next one up.
Air 9 Lima Papa, left turn Charlie, taxi to Park via November, and you can just stay with me. Have a good night. Air 80 Bravo, left turn Charlie, taxi to Park via November, and you can stay with me. Have a great night.
Left on Charlie in November. Stay with you, Airspace, bro. Thanks, Phil. $47. What do I gotta pee? It's one thing about getting old. It doesn't last can't go as long.
That's funny. If I'm driving or something, I can still go like 3.5 hours, 4 hours sometimes.
This guy landing right here.
Yeah. Why are they taking off at night and just circling around and landing?
Practice. Purely just practice.
What did he say that was so funny a minute ago?
The controller asked if the guy wanted to extend his, or if he wanted to shorten his landing turn to come into land. And the guy's like, no, I'm staring at the traffic, we're good. We'll keep it a... Alright. how much? 38 gallons, plenty. We'll use 10 going home. Oh, probably 12 with the wind.
Logan Air, Cayman Airways. Huh.
This is Take 339, enter left traffic and short approach approved.
Short approach approved, Take 339.